परदेसी टीवी ਨਾਲ जुड़े हुए सारे ही दर्शक परिवार दोस्त मित्र ਨੂੰ ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸਿੰਘ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਨਿੱਘੀ ਅਤੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ।
Mehmood, of course, we already had Mukesh ji, who would always sing in initially Saigal Saab voice. उनको गुरु मानते थे, लेकिन ताज्जुब की बात यह है कि दोनों एक ही गुरु से सीखते थे। जो भी थोड़ा सीखे, I mean ज़्यादा तो सीखे नहीं, वो तो ऊपर से ही सब लेके आए थे। So Mukesh, we had so many songs, so many possibilities, but we will jump in and we come to Anand. Yes, the Rajesh Khanna movie Anand, where Salil da and Mukesh ji and Yogesh ji gave us a song which we can sing for and listen for generations.
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कभी यूं ही जब हुई वो झलक सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, कभी यूं ही जब हुई वो झलक सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें। कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए, नजर न आए। जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। जब दिन ढल जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। Thank you.
मुकेश चंद्र माथुर जिनकी हम गाने आई मीन इन दी मेडली ऑल्सो वी हर्ड चंदन साबदम. Then we move to another singer from Bengal, and this gentleman was basically well established in Bengali music, and he wanted to come to mainstream, that is Mumbai cinema, and he came with a bang actually.
वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम सस्यश्यामलाम मातरम वंदे.
Yes, he was Hemant Kumar. In spite of this great hit, he was little reluctant. But after Nagin, he just, he found a place, and we are fortunate that he did not go back to Bengal, and he stayed in Mumbai. Now, Hemanta had a long journey from different languages, different cultures, and I'm going to take note of it and going to present something very unique to you. This is basically a Hindi song, Marathi song, and a Bengali song. And yes, you are right, sir. Because when Arijit Singh created this Yago Dariyacha, that is something the remix kind of thing, but he sang so nicely that it is known to whole India. The original music is by Pandit Hridaynath Mangeshkar, the younger brother of Lata Didi and Asha Ji. So we will now listen to the Dolkar Dariyacha Radha. And I have a request for you. Please support me while I am singing. You all can join me whenever I sing. Please do that. Pardon? Sorry. I will, yeah.
वल्लभे नखवा हो वल्लभे रामा 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 सोनं चमचमते दर्याला चढते बाई सोनं चमचमते दर्याला चढते बाई आम्ही पाण्यामध्ये आपण टाकतो जाई दर्याचा लुटून भरतो ताई रात फुलेच चांदण प्याली तशी चांदीची मासळी झाली रात फुगवेच चांदण प्याली तशी चांदीची मासळी झाली माझ्या दारात भरून आली भरून भोरात आला देतो बाजारा भरून भोरात बाबा पाण्यासुनी आम्हाला फिरतंय दारू बाबा पाण्यासुनी आम्हाला फिरतंय दारू वाट बघून झुलते फिरती मग दर्याला येते भरती जाते पाण्याला भिजून धरती भेटाया तसाच भरदार मारा तो भेटाया तसाच भरदार माझा मी डोकर दर्याचा वल्लव नागबाहू वल्लोळी रामा वल्लव नागबाहू वल्लोळी रामा वल्लव नागबाहू वल्लोळी रामा.
So, in the journey, we had people from different voice cultures, voice qualities. Actually, most of them came to act and then to sing, because it was not very clear that they would accept initially. The hero was someone who should be able to sing and should be also able to act. Gradually, this concept got actually diluted, and finally we had performers in terms of the actors and singers as a separation. And then one of the greatest artists we have ever produced, who was, we always call him Harfan Maula, who would do anything and do best to someone who has never gone into the yes, I'm talking about the Kishore Da, great Kishore Da. So while we are going to Kishore Da song, I'm going to experiment little bit. ये माहौल में थोड़ा कुछ अलग सुनाते हैं ऐसा मैं सोच रहा हूँ. तो क्यों ना हम एक खमाज मेडली करते हैं जो किशोर दा की गायकी, क्योंकि किशोर दा के कई सारे गाने they are like a khayal. I mean, if you listen to them, it's very difficult to sing. So, खमाज राग में मैं थोड़ा सा आपको चीज या थोड़ा नाट्य संगीत झलक दिखाता हूँ.
कोयलिया कूक सुनावे कोयलिया कूक सुनावे कोयलिया कूक सुनावे सखी बोले बिना सतावे पिया बिन कछुना सुहावे निसिया दिया बिजुली चाहे जिसे न मोरा डरा
और बिफोर आई थोड़ा गुनगुनाऊं, मैं किशोर दा का गाना नहीं सुनाऊंगा क्योंकि ये मेरा बहुत ही पसंदीदा गजल है.
मोहब्बत करने वाले कम न होंगे तेरी महफिल में, लेकिन हम न होंगे, मोहब्बत करने वाले कम न होंगे।
सो इसको यही रखते हैं और हमारे किशोर दा की तरफ जाते हैं।
तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना, हो तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना। नया कोई आएगी, नया कोई आएगी, अभी तो चंचल है तेरे नैना। देखो ना, देखो ना, तेरे मेरे मिलन की ये रहना।
Then came Kati Patang, and we had something so great.
कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। छोड़ो बेकार की बातों से, कहीं गीत लगाएगा। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर बेसुधों की शाम हुई। तू कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या, सीता बदनाम हुई। फिर संसार की बातों से भीग गए तेरे नैना। कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना। ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ, जब हुआ तब हुआ। ओ छोड़ो ये ना सोचो, ये क्या हुआ। हम क्यों शिकवा करें झूठा, क्या हुआ जो दिल टूटा। हम क्यों शिकवा करें झूठा, क्या हुआ जो दिल टूटा। शीशे का खिलौना था, कुछ ना कुछ तो होना था। हुआ ये क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ, जब हुआ तब हुआ। ओ छोड़ो ये ना सोचो, ये क्या हुआ।
So I'd like to take a moment to introduce tonight's program. Okay, so at the moment, one of them is in the back. I don't know where. Some people are everywhere. Okay, that's okay. So I'm going to start with Amar Gadgil. So he is the founder of Divine Rhythm Academy, which was founded in October 2021, and it has grown so much since then. He discovered his passion for tabla later in life, beginning in his late 30s. He has fully embraced music with that decision since then. Today he teaches tabla, kahol, djembe and dholak, while also exploring light percussion instruments like the khanjira, ghungru and tar, which you will see today, I'm pretty sure. Over the past few years, he has performed across the GTA at numerous events and also arranges and organizes musical events like this one. Beyond music, Amar is a gifted presenter, performer, and has anchored shows locally and served as a casual announcer with All India Radio. So he has served in, yes, round of applause. And so we are very proud to have him here today. So if you would like to give him one more round of applause, that would be more than appreciated. And now we have Dheeraj Uncle. So Dheeraj Uncle is the founder of Canada Talent Organization, canadatalent.org. So I'd like to welcome him as another one of our organizers. As I said, he is the founder of the registered non-profit society Canada Talent Organization, which is at canadatalent.org. Canada Talent Organization is on the mission to discover, nurture and celebrate local talent across Canada, particularly among the youth, which we have today. They proudly support a wide spectrum of creative arts, including music, dance, visual arts, performing arts, and so much more. Their commitment to giving talented individuals a platform to shine is at the heart of every program such as today's. So let us give another warm welcome to Dheeraj. And then I move on to some honored, very truly distinguished guests with us today. We have Meenal Gadgil, she holds an MA in sociology and a PhD in astrology, with her research subject was birth in eclipse. She is widely recognized as a professional astrology teacher, consultant and writer of yearly astrological predictions based on constellations and planetary movements. She is actively associated with Indian Council of Astrological Sciences, one of India's leading organizations for astrological studies, which has around 60 chapters nationwide. She serves as the chapter chairman for the Pune chapter and is also the founder chairperson of the Mumbai chapter. So with all of these years of experience in astrology, education and consultation, she has contributed significantly to spreading astrological knowledge through teaching, guidance and annual predictive writings. Let's give her one more round of applause. Okay, and then we have one more, which is Piyush Sharma. And so Piyush Sharma lives in Canada, and upkeep of Bharat culture has been his passion. Professionally, he has been a sales and marketing pro and consultant. He is well-known Vedic scholar and speaker, conducts dharmic enlightening sessions on Zoom every weekend, or as much as we can do. Music of the golden era has been his subject of interest and research, which I think we will be seeing tonight just a little bit. He has written multiple write-ups in prestigious magazines. He is also a public speaker on music-related matters. He has been a judge in some talent competitions. He now conducts a unique one-of-its-kind music talk, which is named Dil Ki Awaaz on Zoom since 2022. So let us give him one more round of applause, please, and thank you. Okay, so I have so many introductions to give to you guys because there's so many amazing people in the. So I would like to give them all a wonderful welcome. But before we do, I'd like to give some information about them. So I'm going to start with Tanya. Tanya Hariharan is a 13-year-old sitarist and vocalist, effectively known as the Sitar Kid of Toronto. beginning her musical journey at the age of 7, which I think we should get. She deserves a round of applause. And that training that she has gotten is with Western and Hindustani vocal training, which she soon discovered her passion for the sitar at 9 years old. Today, Tanya enchants the audiences with a versatile, ranging from Hindustani ragas to Bollywood and popular English tunes, maybe even. We will see what she has in stock. Her notable performances include TD Pop-Up Summer Series at Aga Khan Museum, Nathan Phillips Square, Toronto Old City Hall, and so many more. Tanya has received awards and accolades from Ontario MPPs, and for today, she's accompanied by Ishan Dhulfar, who I will invite later. But today, right now, Tanya has with her her little brother, and they'll be performing the national anthem. So if everybody could please stand up, and we're going to begin our national anthem when she's ready to go. Thank you so much. Let us give them a round of applause. So now that this section is done, I would like to call up Ishan Dhulfar, because Ishan and Tanya are going to be performing together. So let us invite up Ishan. Whatever. Alright, Ishan. Okay. Yay. Okay, come on. A louder round of applause would be nicer. Thank you. Okay. accomplishment. So let's give them a big round of applause. Hemant, who is someone who worked in the food industry for over 25 years and has a variety of professional experiences in that industry. That is a little, summary. And then Eaton, it was established in 2007 with a vision of bringing innovative, gourmet, ready-to-eat meals to your table. I'm sure everyone loves ready-to-eat meals. So if maybe he can stand if they're here. So let's have them. Okay, so let's give them a round of applause. Okay. Then we have our silver sponsor, Sarang Vaidya. Other sponsors include India's India Sajawat and Pooja Hut. Then we have Potova. Potova is not only our sponsor, they're also, lovely foods which I'm going to get to, and they are selling today. We have Vada Pav, tea, Dabeli. I don't know if you guys got to check it out already, but that is in the back over there. Then we have Pankaj Panchal, who is a professional engineer. Are they here today? Okay, that's okay. But yes, so we have Pankaj Panchal, who is a professional engineer. So let's give him a big round of applause as well as one of our sponsors. We have so many, the list goes on. So then we have for tech improvement, we have Raj Rekhi, media partner, Radio Muskan, Neelam Pandit Pautra, which is a host, producer and director. We have Ishit Thakur, Subhanu Verma, Mahesh and Rakhi Khatri. Then we have community partners, which include our Sangeet Bharati, which is our Indian classical music. Then we have the yoga meditation as well as Sunrise Mattress. So I'd like to give a thank you to all of them for all their support and kindness towards this program. It means a lot for the organizers, to the volunteers, to the artists and everyone else here today. So let's give everyone a big round of applause. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we will move to our main program, which is our part 1 of that program. So I would like to introduce tonight's featured artists. So I'm going to begin with Harold. So let us call up Harold onto the stage as our keyboardist. Harold is an accomplished professional keyboard player with more than 30 years of musical experience. He has performed at numerous events across Canada and internationally and has had the privilege of accompanying several renowned veteran Bollywood singers on stage. So let us give him one more round of applause, everyone. Then we have, which I'm actually in their way right now, but then we have Parag Dharpare, so we can call him up as Parag Tabla. So Parag holds dual masters in engineering and construction law with a chartered status in UK, Australia, Canada and India. But it is in the world of rhythm where his soul also, stays and shines. He has trained under esteemed gurus including Dr. Santhakai, Pandit Suresh Samant and Talmani Praveen Karkare. Okay. And Parag has performed across several countries actually. India, the UAE, UK and Canada. He has graced the Dubai Expo with so much of his talent. The Indian Consulate Dubai and has accompanied legends like Pandit Jasraj and Pandit Ajay Chakraborty. He is also the founder of NAD, which is a school dedicated to preserving the art of tabla for this next generation. So let us give him a round of applause. Then we have Amar Garge, who I'm pretty sure I already gave the introduction to, but let us give him a round of applause. He will be on light percussion today. Like I said, he plays several instruments, but today he will be introducing those light percussions as well as his cajon. Last but not least, we have our singer for tonight's event, Ram Deshpande. So let us give them a big round of applause. He is a celebrated vocalist from Pune, Maharashtra. Ram Deshpande is a mechanical engineer from COEP with an MBA from Wellinger School, working as an international business consultant and professor of practice, while also remaining deeply devoted to music as a trained classical vocalist of the Gwalior Gharana. Beyond his professional and artistic pursuits, he and his wife Medha have run a free weekend school for rural children near Pune for over 11 years now. Through their non-profit Akshar Sangeet Foundation, they support students' higher education and raise funds through themed musical shows such as Ragas in Bollywood and Cycle to Ajit. So, let us give them all a big round of applause and let's start the show.
My special thanks to Amar and Dheeraj for the effort they are taking in Canada here. And I'm honored that PUG is sitting in front of me. So it's a great feeling that I got opportunity to perform in front of PUG. He's someone who we are looking from India too. I mean, he's a global expert and analyst on music. Analyst means he just gives us the best things out of the music. He gives us a different ear actually. So thank you PUG for making it. So here we start. In 1913, Dada Saheb Phalke started the journey by creating Raja Harishchandra. That was a movie. A few decades later, around 1930-31, we had Alam Ara, where the movie started speaking. And then came Saigal Saab, the superstar of, the first superstar of Indian cinema. So, it could be that we could sing quite a few songs from Saigal Saab, but considering the time, we are now going to start a journey in Yaman medley. Now, kindly pay attention that each song is sung by a different singer from different era. So what we call this as Saigal to Arijit. ये यमन बेस और यमन का ज़मीन वही है. हमें थोड़ा उस पर गौर करना है कि उसका shades have changed, yet the essence has remained the same. So let us start with Yaman medley.
मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है जादू है जादू है मैं क्या जानूं क्या जादू है एक दो मतवाली नैनों में जादू है जादू चंदन सावरन चंचल तुरन धीरे ससुराई मुस्काना चंदन सावरन चंचल तुरन धीरे ससुराई मुस्काना मुझे दोष न देना जगवारो मुझे दोष न देना चंदन सावरन चंचल भूषा कुछ अजीब थी ये शाम भी अजीब है पास पास थी वो आज भी करीब है भूषा कुछ अजीब ये शाम भी अजीब है वो कल भी पास पास थी वो आज भी करीब है साजा सखे मिलाया दिल साजा सखे मिलाया तेरी वजह तुझा दिल साजा सखे मिलाया तेरी वजह तुझा आज पास अभी हुजूर इस कदर भी ना इतरा के चलिए हुजूर इस कदर भी ना इतरा के चलिए खुले चल नहरा के चलिए हुजूर इस कदर भी ना इतरा के चलिए खुले चल नहरा के चलिए हुजूर इस कदर
Thank you so much for coming. While we're just getting everything rolling here from a technical check standpoint and setup standpoint, I just thought I'll quickly say a few words. So my name is Dheeraj, like they announced. Essentially, Canadian Talent.org, as you can see here, we're very happy to be partnering with Amar Bhaiya, who's from Divine Rhythm Academy. It was his brainchild to have this event today. And essentially, so I don't know if you're aware, there were 3 events that happened in the last 24 hours. So the first one was in Kitchener. The second one was this morning in Bradford. And this is the third one in which Ramji is performing. And Amar Bhaiya has basically planned this entire thing with the limited time that we had with Ramji. So we should all feel very blessed that we have such good Guni Kalakar, as we say, who are performing today. And Arif, so I've known him for quite some time. He had performed in one of our events on October 4th, basically last year. And you'll hear today basically another local artist who is amazing on the keyboard. And we're looking forward to more and more participation from people here. So if anybody has any talent, reach out, use the QR code, check out on our website. We're building a new Canada-wide website. And looking forward to all the talents coming in, all the videos coming in, and then we would want to promote it. So give us an opportunity. Thank you so much. We'll keep chatting.
जब शाम ढले आना सांझ सवेरे मिलते हैं
सो एक फरमाइश ऐसी आई थी कि कुछ नए गाने हो जाए, तो हम ये रिलेटिवली नया गाना आप लेते हैं. Still, I think you were not born when the song was released. This next song also. Yeah.
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो, मैंने सुन लिया के साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया, मैंने सुन लिया.
छाँव में कहीं उड़ता ही दूर इस हवाओं में कहीं या मैं जुड़ जाऊं इस घटाओं में कहीं देख कर तू आसमां ज़मीन कहो यारो ना कहूँ या नहीं पहला नशा पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लो मैं क्या अपना है दिल बेकरार है दिल बेकरार तू ही बता पहला नशा पहला खुमार
Thank you so much.
Avantika, you have done wonderfully well. Keep doing that and keep practicing. You are being trained by the gurus and follow them. It's a wonderful training you are getting. So keep it up. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
All Talat songs are so melodious and the lyrics is so rich. So of course, I'll take one more or rather two songs in same raga with kind of a medley. And the rag is very one of my favorite ragas. Yes, Bageshwari.
हमसे आया ना गया तुमसे बुलाया हमसे आया ना गया तुमसे बुलाया गया फासला प्यार में दोनों से मिटाया ना गया हमसे आया ना गया तुमसे बुलाया ना गया हमसे आया ना गया वो घड़ी याद है जब तुमसे मुलाकात हुई एक इशारा हुआ तो बात बढ़े बात हुई देखते देखते दिन भर रात रात हुई वो समाज पलक दिल से बुलाया ना गया हमसे आया ना गया तुमसे बुलाया ना गया फिर वही शाम वही गम वही तन्हाई है दिल को समझा तेरी याद चली आई है फिर वही शाम मैं कभी तुझसे मुलाकात कभी होगी न हो जाने अब तुझसे मुलाकात कभी होगी न हो जो अधूरी रही वो बात कभी होगी न हो तेरी मंजिल तेरी मंजिल से बिछड़ आई है फिर वही शाम वही गम वही तन्हाई है दिल को समझाने तेरी याद चली आई है वही शाम ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल इश्क ये ऐब इश्क ये बैर इश्क ये लाल इश्क ये मलाल इश्क ये ऐब इश्क ये बैर इश्क 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 तुझ सब मेरा नाम इश्क 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 तेरा नाम इश्क मेरा नाम तेरा नाम मेरा नाम इश्क ये इश्क ये
बात है, क्या बात है।
रंग से सही दिल दुखाने को ये रंग से सही दिल दुखाने को ये रंग से सही आज से मुझे छोड़ के जाने ये दिल दुखाने ये किस किस को बताए जुदाई का सबब हम किस को बताए जुदाई का सबब हम तू मुझसे खफा है तो ज़माने ये जैसे तुम्हें आते नहाने के बहाने जैसे तुम्हें आते हैं नहाने के बहाने जैसे ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से क्या बोले ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से क्या बोले कोई तो ना लागे इस तरह गिरा ये सुलझे हेलो रोम एक तारा जो बादलों में से गुजरे ये मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से क्या बोले कोई तो ना लागे इस तरह गिरा ये सुलझे।
सो ये यमन की जर्नी हम आखिरी गाना फ्रॉम रफ़ी साहब विच इज टेलिंग अस रफ़ी जी एंड आशा जी दैट अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर, लेकिन हम खाली यमन को छोड़ेंगे और दूसरे गानों पे जाएंगे।
अभी न जाऊं छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं अभी न जाऊं छोड़कर कि दिल अभी भरा नहीं अधूरी आस छोड़ के अधूरी आस छोड़ के लौट जाऊं रे तुम्हारी जुल्फ में सारे निशान करूँगा तुम्हारी जुल्फ के सारे निशान करूँगा सफर तुमका
We sing Madhuban में राधिका. Is that fine? हाँ, रफी साहब का हमें गाना. Of course we have. These are some singers who have been for generations. They are for generations. I mean, we can't say that ये तो कल का गाना है, परसों का गाना है. No, this is forever. In fact, we had that song. We have sung it. अभी नहीं आओ. बेडली में गाया So okay. So हम नहीं ऑफिस आपकी बात होगी. No, we do something.